Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. So we will simplify this algebraic expression without using the calculator. Or here we will show all of the working in this paper, so that now we will solve this problem by step solution. So first here we need to focus the exponent of this term. So the exponent this term is 1 over 5, and we write this exponential form into the radical form. So we write it as a over b to the power of if you have a over b to the power of 1 over n, we write it as a over b to the nth root. Okay, so according to this exponent law, we write this term as this will be written as 1 over 5 and its fifth root. So here we convert this exponential form into the radical form, and now here after that we apply another radical law. You know that nth root of a over b is equals to nth root of a divided by nth root of b. So according to this radical law, we will just uh, apply this fifth root separately on both of these terms, and it will be written as fifth root of 1 divided by fifth root of 5. Okay, so here we know that nth root of 1 is equals to 1 only. So according to this rule, fifth root of 1 is also equals to 1. So we get this is 1 divided by fifth root of 5. Okay, so here now in the next step we will apply here this rule. So you know that if we have 1 over nth root of a, so it is multiplied by a to the power of n minus 1 and its nth root, and it is divided by a to the power of n minus 1 and its nth root. So here we will just multiply and divide this term by this value. So here we rewrite our algebraic expression as this is 1 over fifth root of 5. So we multiply this term by 5 to the power of 5 minus 1, because here our n is equals to 5. Okay, so we write it as 5 to the power of 5 minus 1 and its fifth root divided by fifth root of 5 to the power of 5 minus 1. Okay, so now here in the next step we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator term with denominator. So when you multiply 1 by this term, it will be written as, so first we need to simplification here. So we write it as 1 over fifth root of 5 multiplied by this is 5 to the power of 4, because 5 minus 1 becomes 4, and fifth root, it is also divided by 5 to the power of 4 and its fifth root. Okay, so now here we will multiply numerator term with the numerator. When you multiply 1 with this term, we will get here this term only. This is 5 to the power of 4 and its fifth root, it is divided by this is fifth root of 5 multiplied by fifth root of 5 to the power of 4. Okay, so now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and now here we will apply this exponent law. If you have nth root of a multiplied by nth root of b, so we write it as nth root of a multiplied by b. So according to this rule, we write our this algebraic expression as 5 to the power of 4 and fifth root divided by, here we will just combine the fifth root term on these two values, so it will be written as fifth root of 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 4. Okay, so now here in the next step, here we will apply the exponent law in the denominator term. You know that if you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So according to this exponent law, we will write this term as, this is 5 to the power of 4 and its fifth root divided by, here you see that this is 5 to the power of 1 plus 4 and its fifth root. So this implies that we have 5 to the power of 4 and its fifth root divided by, here you have 1 plus 4 becomes 5, so we write it as 5 to the power of 5 and its fifth root. And now in the next step, here we need to convert these radical forms into the exponential form again. So we write it as, this is 5 to the power of 4 and its fifth root, so we write this fifth root as 1 over 5, and it is divided by, this is 5 to the power of 5 and again its fifth root, we write it as 5 to the power of 5 and its fifth root is 1 over 5. Okay, so here further we can apply here the exponent laws. So we can apply this exponent law. If you have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. According to this exponent law, we need to multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 5 to the power of 4 multiplied by 1 over 5 divided by 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by 1 over 5. So this 5 is cancelled out by this 5 and we get 5 to the power of 4 over 5 divided by 5 to the power of 1. So here we apply another exponent law. You know that if you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So according to this exponent law, we will write this expression as in this form. This is 5 to the power of 4 over 5 minus 1. So we need to take the LCM of the term, and it will be written as 4 minus 5 over 5. So this is 5 to the power of 4 minus 5 becomes minus 1 over 5. So here we move this minus 1 over 5 in the downside, and it will be written as 1 over 5 to the power of 1 over 5. This is the exponential form, and we can write this into the radical form in this way: 1 over 5 to the power of fifth root. This is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.